Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. So today we are outside of Walgreens. A lot of the different accounts have gotten this spend 20, get 5,000 point digital booster. So check your accounts in your coupon folder. Make sure if you do have this booster, you clip it right away. They will disappear if you don't clip it. But keep in mind, not all accounts are gonna get this booster. There are a couple different variations as well. I know some subscribers posted that you guys got a 10,000 points when you spend $55 or more. So there's a couple different boosters out there floating around. Make sure you check and see which one you guys have. Today, I have two different scenarios for you on the spend 20, get 5,000 points. A lot of essentials. I'm going to be picking up that ground turkey for just $1.99. There's good cereal deals, body wash deals, you name it. So I do have two different scenarios listed in the printable breakdown for you. That way, depending on what you guys need for your family, there are a bunch of different deals that you guys can choose from to put together a great scenario for yourself. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner and the notification bell, so when I post a new video, you guys will be notified. I also posted a short video, it was like 2 minutes, showing the unboxing of my Walgreens online haul from last week. So I ordered it on Monday, got it on this Monday, today, when I usually do my Walgreens hauls. That was when I ordered 5 pieces of makeup. 2 of them were broke, unfortunately. So I do have to try to return those. My Rimmel powder and one of the L'Oreal eyeshadows was all broken and just kind of a mess, unfortunately. So wouldn't recommend purchasing cosmetics online unless it's like a lipstick or a mascara, maybe something like that. But as far as the eyeshadows and powders, I would definitely stay away from that. So let's head inside and showcase all of these deals they have for this week. Okay, so the first scenario, one thing you guys can grab is 2 of the Secret or Old Spice deodorants. So they're not tagged at this store, but you can grab 2 of these. They're on sale, 2 for $10. Then you're gonna use this $1 off 2 digital coupon. When you buy 2 for $10, you're gonna get back a $5 register reward. So you'll pay the $9 out of pocket, get back the $5 register reward. Final cost for 2 is going to be just $2 each. But remember, we're doing this in the spend 20, get 5,000 point scenario. So there's a couple of other items that we're gonna pick up to complete our first scenario. And the next 3 items you're gonna wanna pick up is the Colgate Total. So they are on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 3, you're gonna get 5,000 points back. So what you're gonna do is pick up 3 of the Colgate Total. That is gonna be $11.97. You're gonna use this 5 off of 3 digital coupon. Then you're gonna pay $6.97, get back the 5,000 points. Final cost for just the 3 toothpastes would be $1.97 for 3, or about 65 cents each. So that'll complete my first scenario. Let's go over the final numbers on this one. Okay, so this is gonna be our first scenario. So we're gonna pick up the 3 Colgate Total. They're $3.99 each. Total is $11.97. And the 2 Secret deodorants, total for those is $10. So my final cart is gonna come to $21.97. We have the 5 off 3 digital coupon and the $1 off 2 digital coupon. So once the $6 comes off, we're gonna be left to pay $15.97 plus taxes out of pocket. If you have any register rewards, you can use up to 3 register rewards. Because we have 5 items total and only 2 coupons, the $1 off of 2 is gonna attach to 1 product, and the 5 off of 3 is gonna attach to 1 product. So that leaves 3 products available to use register rewards for. That way you can lower your out-of-pocket. Then we're gonna get back 5,000 points for the digital booster, 5,000 points for the Colgate deal, and $5 register reward for the deodorant deal. So final cost is gonna wind up being 97 cents plus tax for all 5 items. Definitely not a bad scenario. I do have one other scenario to show you, which includes a couple more essential items. Okay, so this is gonna start our second scenario for today. So it is going to be on the Irish Spring as well as the soft soap. They're on sale for $4.99, and when you buy two, you're going to get 5,000 points back. So what you can do is buy one of the Irish Spring, and then you can also buy one of these soft soap here. Both are going to be $4.99. You can use this $1 off one for the soft soap. It is a digital coupon. Make sure you clip it, send it to your card. Then you can use this $1 off one for the Irish Spring. So a completely digital deal again. So that'll take off $2. You'll pay $7.98. Get back the 5,000 points. But we are going to be using this with a couple other deals. So let's go pick up the rest and we'll go over the final numbers at the end. Now we want to pick up some Tide liquid. It is $4.99. There's a couple different varieties you can choose from. The Febreze are included as well, and the Ultra Stain Release. So they're $4.99. There is this $2 digital coupon. Final cost is just $2.99. Now for some food items, you can pick up some Kellogg's Fruit Loops, a couple other varieties as well. The Raisin brand is included at my store. They're just $1.88. You can use this 50-cent off digital coupon. Final cost for a box of cereal would be just $1.38. The next deal we're going to pick up in this scenario is the frozen ground turkey, all natural. It is 1 pound, on sale for just $1.99. So let's grab this and add it to our cart. 2 other items to grab, then we'll go over the final numbers. The last item you guys can grab would be 2 of these Dawn dish soaps, whichever one you prefer. I was going to grab the box of tissues as well, but my store is completely out. So grabbing 2 of these dish soaps will complete our transaction and get us right over that $20 mark. Here are some additional deals for you. It looks like my store is pretty wiped out of the Dixie plates, so the only option I would have is to pick up these larger ones here. They are on sale, buy one, get one half off. So one would be $3.99, one would be $1.99. There is a $1 off 2 digital coupon, so you can go ahead and clip that, send it to your card. Final cost for both of these would be $5 or about $2.50 each. So it does include the larger plates. I think the smaller plates are here, bowls and such are usually over here. So you can pick up one of each, mix and match however you guys need to stock up for your family. Another great deal to stock up on would be some nice pasta dinner. So again, my store pretty wiped out, but the penne is on sale, buy one, get one free. There's also Prego pasta sauce, which would have been right here. It's $2.49. So if you pick up a Prego and a penne, that would be $2.49 because the cheaper one would be completely free. Then we would pick up the pound of ground turkey. You can make a nice like a meat sauce or whatever, nice easy meal for your family, and your total cost would be $4.49. So not a bad deal there. Another thing you can do, pretend there's a Prego right here. If you buy 2 of these, submit them to Ibotta. So that would be buy one, get one free. So one would be $2.49, the other one would be completely free. Ibotta gives you 75 cents back when you buy 2. So final cost would be just $1.75 for both jars of tomato sauce. So that's definitely a great deal as well. So this is everything for our second scenario. We have our Tide liquid, $4.99, 2 of the Dawn dish soaps, 99 cents each, our pound of frozen ground turkey for just 99 cents, our soft soap at $4.99, Irish Spring $4.99, and our box of cereal for $1.88. This will bring our total to $20.82. We have $2 off coupons digital for these, 50-cent digital for the Kellogg's, and a $2 digital for the Tide. So this is another completely beginner-friendly deal. All you have to do is clip these coupons and send them to your card, as well as that digital booster. Then we're going to get back 5,000 points for the digital booster, 5,000 points for the Irish Spring and soft soap deal. What we're going to pay out of pocket is going to be about $16.32. So total for everything again, $20.82. We have $4.50 in digital coupons, so we're going to pay $16.32 out of pocket. You can use up to 3 register rewards if you want. We don't have any coupons attaching to these 3 items. So if you do have any register rewards, you could use those to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Then you're gonna get back 10,000 points. So final cost would be $632 plus taxes for all of these items, which are pretty essential. You have a couple food items here, items to wash some dishes, laundry soap, and body wash. So this is another great scenario that you guys can do. Okay, so we're back in from Walgreens. Everything went well. I didn't have any issues. I did the second scenario because I wanted to pick up a couple essentials and stock up on more Tide. I only have the one Tide that I purchased yesterday in my CVS haul. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. I will have it linked in the description box as well as at the end of the video. I found 6 different moneymaker deals. So I used all those in the first transaction, and I used the extra bucks from the moneymaker deals in my second transaction so I could stock up on the essentials that I needed, which was Tide and Downy. I did also pick up candy. If you are new to the channel and you haven't been following me long, I absolutely love gummies. I have like the biggest weak spot for them. So these were 2 for $3 on sale. Typically they're like $1.69 or something. My actual favorite gummies are the Albanese Gummies. They are like to die for. One time they had them on sale at Publix. They were buy one, get one free, 5-pound bags, I think. It was either 2.5 pounds or 5 pounds. I don't know, but obviously I bought it. Horrible idea. Ate them all by myself. I wouldn't even share my gummies. It's horrible. So I try not to go down the candy aisle because I have no self-control when it comes to gummies. However, everything did work out well. So I did purchase the gummies as well. So that put me $3 more expensive. But you got to treat yourself sometimes, especially with the hard times that a lot of us are having. I know a lot of people are way more stressed out now than usual. Some people are, without jobs, especially if you're working with different restaurants. I know some of my friends have been laid off as well. So thoughts and prayers for all of you guys. Stay as safe as possible. We always make sure that I've been Lysoling my front door, both sides, all the different knobs and everything in the house, the air. My AC's been kind of acting up and smelling a little weird. So we've been, like just smells mildewy in Florida. So I had the AC guy out there and he said you can also spray Lysol into like your vent where you put your air filter. So I've been doing that as well. So it kind of sprays Lysol throughout the house and kind of cleans out my AC. I'm trying to find like an air purifier or something as well, just to kind of help keep the air in the house as clean as possible. Doing the best we can. I still want to bring you guys these deals. I am going out myself because A, I want to show you guys the deals, and B, I also need to buy these items. So I would have gone out anyways, but I like to take the opportunity if I'm already going to be in the store to try to stay as consistent as I can on the channel for all of you, as well as show you guys the deals. So if you need to stock up on anything for yourself, if you're purchasing for an elderly loved one or taking care of someone else, you guys know where to get the best deals so you're not breaking the bank while still being able to help the ones that you love. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.